fuck you, dude. I should just call the cops. Yeah. Sister Christina gonna do it and watch when the cops show up here. She's gonna be like, oh, I didn't know. Trick, you're in there.
Dude, cops.
Can you please send a police officer yeah, shake the machine and manager on my complex? Yeah.
My back hurts.
Hey, you guys help me?
What happened?
My chips got stuck. Yeah, and Christine's in there, and I'm like, bro, my chips got stuck. She's just like this.
Then
Watch, go get her. Go get her. You guys go get her. See what she says. What if we just all go up there at the same time? Watch, go get her. Watch. Everybody, let's just all go up there. Hey, go to the outside. That sucks!
Just because I'm in there doesn't mean you know this office is closed.
Right. But I'm asking you like,
What are you asking me?
oh yeah, my chips got stuck.
Okay, the office is closed. What would you normally do? You have to wait till tomorrow, right?